Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Pente Spotlight, the podcast where we break down the biggest tech headlines in a way that's simple, safe, and actually meaningful. I'm Emily, your data security and compliance guide.
And I'm Lucas, your tech-obsessed buddy, here to turn global AI news into something you'd actually explain to a friend over coffee.
Today's spotlight is on a major move from ByteDance, the company behind TikTok. According to Reuters, ByteDance is developing its own AI chip and is in talks with Samsung to manufacture it.
Yup, TikTok's parent company might be stepping into the chip game. The plan is to build chips designed for something called AI inference, basically the part of AI that runs the model and gives answers quickly, like chatbots and recommendation systems.
From a safety and compliance perspective, this is important because AI chips aren't just hardware, they're infrastructure. Whoever controls the chips controls the speed, security, and scale of AI systems. And with global chip shortages, access to key components like advanced memory becomes a serious strategic issue.
And the numbers here are huge. Reports suggest ByteDance could produce over 100,000 chips this year and maybe scale up to 350,000 later. That's not a side project. That's a full-on AI arms race move.
It also reflects a bigger trend. Companies want to rely less on Nvidia, which dominates the AI chip market. Plus, for Chinese tech firms, U.S. export controls make it even more urgent to develop homegrown alternatives.
Exactly. Google, Amazon, Microsoft, everyone's building custom chips now. And ByteDance is investing massively, reportedly spending over 160 billion yuan, around $22 billion on AI procurement this year. That's serious money.
The compliance challenge is that advanced AI development must still meet global standards, transparency, accountability, and secure handling of data. When chips and AI models are built in-house, companies take on even more responsibility for how these systems behave.
And from the business side, this could reshape ByteDance's future beyond TikTok into AI assistants, cloud services, and enterprise tech. It's like they're saying, we don't just want to use AI, we want to power it.
So, today's takeaway is simple. AI isn't just about apps anymore. It's about chips, supply chains, and who controls the engines behind intelligence.
And if ByteDance succeeds, it could become not just a social media giant, but a major player in the global AI infrastructure race. Thanks for listening to Pente Spotlight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you next time for more tech made simple, smart, and human.